Here outside of the Pakistani consulate in New York, we're here to protest the totally unjust imprisonment of the leaders of the Awami Action Committee, Gilgit-Baltistan. We are here to protest a totally unfair fourth scheduled designation of our comrade Ihsan Ali, who has been wrongfully imprisoned. We are here to show our support with the workers and the masses of Gilgit-Baltistan who have been struggling for their rights, who have been struggling for basic things like bread, flour, electricity, and they have been making great strides in this struggle. And the Pakistani state, the state of Gilgit-Baltistan, is scared of them, and they're scared of the Awami Action Committee, Gilgit-Baltistan, because they have mass support. And precisely because of that, we are here and we are showing solidarity with our comrades, and we will not stop until our comrades are freed.
One struggle, one fight. Workers of the world unite. No war but the class war. No war but the class war. Release Ihsan Ali. Release Ihsan Ali.
They let us into the consulate. I would say they said they would present the petition to the proper authorities. There's no way for us to know if that will actually happen, but the petition has been delivered.